Are you not able to control your junk food habit, and even you know that you are overweight and obese? Then today I like to tell you that it is not your fault. The companies or the big food companies wants to make you like this. Friends, you're not gonna believe on this that the companies pays millions and billions of the rupees to those people who has the ability of the taste or those laboratory tests in which they find out the what taste usually people likes. They are not even they are, don't even care about our health. That's why they are putting the sugar and other things which impact in our mind. That is why beware of the junk food. Beware of that very food which is easily accessible to you. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their stubborn fat. I help them to achieve their dream personality. I give them the tools so that they can build their extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, overweight is a problem. Obesity is a problem. But from where it is coming, we are not concerning about it. As of now, the food is available in the market is very easily accessible, and our body and our mind is not made to consume the easy accessible food. First thing. The second thing is this: even food companies are trying to make their product which makes us habitual or addicted towards their brands, and it is a biggest problem, it is the biggest miss. Today I would like to tell you that it is not your fault. Companies pays million of rupees on the people who can tell them that which food can make you addicted. There is something common between you and me, that we must have a person, an uncle or an auntie who does not have any problem of smoking alcohol, but still they are very obese and very much overweight. Friends, so many females are overweight in India, and most of them, about 80% of them, are non-smoker, non-alcoholic, but still their body condition seems like this. They have the problem of PCOS, they have the problem of dark circle, they have the problem of acne, they have the problem of depression, just because of the overweight issue. But what they are not aware of is the problem. Friends, in this whole world, there are four types of drugs which makes a person addicted towards a addicted. The number one drug is the drugs like cocaine and all. The number two is the smoking, which has the nicotine. The number three, the problem of liquor, which contains the alcohol. And number four, the food, which is sugary food or easily digestible food. Friends, whatever thing which is processed more, it digests easily, and that's why our body comes our mind analyze that very particular product as a pleasure. And right now an alcoholic person is getting pleasure from alcohol, and a food addictive person getting the pleasure from the food, and this is the problem. And the condition for both the things is same. The person who consume more alcohol, he is gonna have the fatty alcoholic fatty liver disease, and if you talk about a person who is addicted of food, she is going to get the problem of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The conditions are quite same. The person who is going to smoke the cigarette, his lungs is going to be burst. The person who has the food problem, his vital organ gets the fat. Condition is same. The drug addict just get the pleasure from the food, from the drugs, and his mind just says that wow, it's amazing. And whenever a person, you must have seen a person just taking the rasgulla, the person is just tasting the gajar ka halwa, the person who is tasting the desi ghee, and whatever kind of a sweet food or dessert food, just say delicious. The impact is same. And the food companies wants, they create the advertisement, they create the market, they make the banners which makes us attract towards their product. So friends, it is a really you need to be aware of this thing, and it is really a big problem because people are not aware that the food can be a problem for them. Many of the How many people you have seen that they are dying from the lung cancer, but how many people are you seeing that they are dying from heart attack? Maybe the average person is more. This is the problem of food. That's why you see a person, a uncle, a man who consume alcohol, he has the dark circle, and a female who is consuming the golgappas and other who does not know about the food science and whose diet is not good, she is also having the dark circle. Friends, don't play with your life. It is really important for you. So whenever we have seen that why females are getting problems, just the problem is the food. Whether they are not consuming smoking, whether they are not smoking, whether they are not consuming any liquor, but still the problem is food. That what food she is consuming is the problem. Sugar is the problem. Junk food is the problem. The more carbohydrate is the problem. More chapatis, more rice is the problem. Then how to decrease? Because it is a person can leave the drugs, a person can leave the alcohol, but how to leave the food? The thing is this, that you need to know that how to manage food, because God has created us not to consume junk food or not to consume sugary food. The God has created us to get the sugar from the fruits and be natural. That's why combine some protein, some complex carbs along with good sources of fat and make a balance in your diet. Try to consume 5 times, have an active lifestyle, and be aware that the food companies and marketing are playing with you. Don't become a puppet in their hands. If you like something, if you like to eat burger, if you like to eat french fries, if you like to eat other chips, then just imagine that they are also telling that you cannot stop by one. That's why the drugs demand drugs, alcohol demand alcohol, cigarette demands cigarette, and the bad food demands bad food. Be aware. Now friends, if you want to start your health journey or if you want to build your lifestyle, then you need to work on it for months. So if you want to start your health journey, then feel free to message me. I will give you this tool, and for sure I will make your lifestyle through which you will able to understand that what poison of the food and what is the good thing in the food has. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.